Hey, what's up, guys? I'm at the hobby shop and we got the new Traxxas Maxx. Look at the LED lights in the front. This is on the display, so the truck hasn't released out yet. But I'm just here to show you guys. I ordered 2 of these and I'm gonna be giving one away free. All right, all you need to do is subscribe and share and like my videos. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers, you will see a winner out of those 1,000, and I will ship this truck out. I'm gonna get 2. I already put money down for it. But anyways, look at this truck. It's small. It's like half of the size of the X Max. It got LEDs in the front, but the ones you're gonna get does not come with LEDs. You have to buy them separately. They will give out a little package. Well, you have to buy the package. But anyway, this is orange LED lights right there in the front. This guy won't let me take it out, but just look at it. It's in the display. And I asked him to sell me this, but he said he can't because they will take him off the program, off that Traxxas program that they have. But beautiful, nice truck. It looks the same as X Max, but just shrunken down. Small tires, everything is small, miniature, mini, midget, whatever you want to call it. And it's looks nice. But anyway, guys, subscribe and head over to my RC channel. It's called RC USA 201. I'll post a link down below in this description. But this is my mechanic channel, but the other channel, that's where I do all of my RC stuff at. But anyways, here it is, coming out soon, and we're going to be making a lot of videos with this. It's going to be posted onto my other channel, RC USA 201. That's strictly about like RCs and drones, races, drag races. But this is what it is, guys. The little baby's coming out soon. And we'll stay in touch, all right, guys?